This is a short guide on how to buy shares of Bravida Holding AB. Bravida is a Nordic provider of installation and service solutions for buildings and industry, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BRAV.ST. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker BRAV.ST and find the Bravida Holding AB listing. Confirm the exchange and listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name and BRAV.ST ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your Bravida position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same step-by-step demonstration.